Huobi Global list DAI after Vitalik joked about this. DAI and the cryptocurrency was created, and let's talk about this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. This is the Captain, and this is the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Now, Huobi Global joins the list of exchanges to support the latest meme coin craze. In a tweet hours ago, a leading crypto exchange, now this is a leading crypto exchange, a top 10 exchange, announced it was listing DAI, the latest meme coin inspired by Vitalik, the Ethereum founder, in less than 24 hours of the token creation. Now, this is legitly on there as well. This is a tweet that came out from Huobi Global, and I was like, oh my God. So a tweet from Vitalik got this whole interesting, I would say, craze, and this is the information. You can legitimately get this on Huobi Global DAI, and it's definitely making moves up the chart. Now, let me go down to this for a moment. This is where he said it. Vitalik said this on October 20th, and look at this. Actually, now that I think about it, calling a cryptocurrency DAI is even funnier in Chinese. And then moments later, there was a cryptocurrency called DAI. As the is in the pattern now, in less than 2 hours, a protocol named DAI was created and outfitted with a Twitter page, website to boot. Now, this is the Twitter page. Let me go ahead and zoom in. 3,000 members on their Twitter, and this is the website. I know. And this is all of their action exchanges on. This is crazy. CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, LBank, you got Hotbit, MEXC Global, Bitmart, BKEX, BTCEX, Uniswap, and then Huobi. That's big. Huobi is a top exchange, and they're already on here. And check this out. I don't think this is going to slow down. I see AAX, I see OKEX, KuCoin, Binance. Now, it's going to take a minute for them to get on some of these other ones, but 9 exchanges, from my understanding, within 24 hours. That is pretty big for a tweet from him. And the latest meme coin is already attracting listings from other well-known exchanges like MEXC Global and Hotbit. So you see the surge of over 5,700 according to Dex Tools as well. Like which is another cryptocurrency meme coin that was created earlier and Shiba Inu before. The team behind DAI claims to have a percentage of supply to Vitalik. That is the current trading price point, and Uniswap account for over 90% of its volume. But they've got volume other places, and all started from a tweet by this guy. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. This is the Captain, and this is the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Cryptocurrency is crazy right now. Somebody can tweet something that's very well known in the space, and then it can just do this type of information here, which is absolutely crazy. This is not financial advice. Always do your research, and I'll see you on the next video.